Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to install Claude Code on your machine, covering terminal installation, IDE plugins for IntelliJ and VS Code and the web version. But first, why use Claude Code? Claude Code is an agentic AI coding assistant that lives in your terminal. Unlike tools that just suggest code snippets, Claude Code can autonomously write, edit, and execute code across your entire project. It runs Linux commands, executes scripts, and integrates naturally with your development tools. Plus, it features specialized subagents that optimize token usage, letting you tackle larger projects without hitting context limits. Alright, let's get it installed. There are multiple ways to access Claude Code on Mac OS. 1. Shell script. Easiest, no Node.js required. NPM for Node.js developers. IDE plugins, IntelliJ and VS Code. Claude Code Web, browser-based, works with GitHub. Let's start with the simplest method. So shell script installation, and this is recommended by Claude Code. We will use the shell script to let Claude Code handle all dependencies automatically. Run this command in your terminal: curl fsshell https claude.ai install.sh by bash. Accept any prompts that appear and your installation is complete. Easy, right? After installation, the Claude command should be available. However, if you get command not found, you need to add it to your path. For ZSH users, macOS default, you can modify ZSHRC file with export path. For bash users, you can modify bash_profile file. Alternatively, just restart your terminal and the path should be automatically configured. Now let's verify the installation by running Claude Doctor. This command checks your Claude Code installation and shows version information and configuration details. You can also run Claude --version. Great, the installation is working properly. Now let's launch Claude Code with Claude --verbose. The verbose flag gives us more detailed output. You can also use just Claude for a simpler, less verbose interface. Coming to authentication. For Claude Code terminal CLI usage, you need either Claude Pro Max subscription, login via OAuth with your Claude AI account, or Anthropic API key from console.anthropic.com. I have a Pro subscription, so I will complete the 2FA login process. Perfect. Claude Code is now authenticated and ready to use. Let's check. How's it doing? I type, "Hello, how are you?" It thinks and responds. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Moving to method 2, NPM installation. So now let's look at the NPM installation method, which is useful if you are already a Node.js developer. So your prerequisite is you install Node.js, which is 18 or higher. If you already have Node.js 18 plus on your machine, you can skip this step. Go to the Node.js website, nodejs.org, and download the latest LTS version. You can verify whether this version is stable on the downloads page. Download the official installer and run it, accepting the license agreement. You may be asked to enter your admin username and password. Please do so. You can check the NPM installation location on the final page of the installer. Also, make sure that user local bin is in your path. Let's install Claude Code now with NPM. So npm install -g anthropic AI/Claude Code. Now we encountered permission issue. So let's set up npm to avoid permission issues. Never use sudo for npm global installations, as it creates security risks. Rather, you run these commands. So mkdir -p npm.npm global npm config set prefix .npm global. For ZSH users, as I said, modify your ZSHRC file to set the path, and for bash users, modify your bash_profile path. After that, let's reinstall. Awesome! You have successfully installed Claude Code via NPM. Verify NPM installation as we did earlier by running Claude Doctor. Now you can navigate to your project directory and launch Claude Code to see how it works. I'm already in a code repository that I want to analyze. Let's ask Claude a simple question. What does the code in this repo do? Claude Code responds with commentary about what I'm asking and what it will do to execute the task. Now let's see the results. It has listed the main functionality, key features, architecture highlights, and tech stack. Impressive! Now that we have Claude Code working in the terminal, let's integrate it into your IDE. We will start with IntelliJ. Open IntelliJ IDEA. Go to Settings or Preferences on Mac. Click on Plugins. In the Marketplace tab, search for Claude Code. You will see Claude Code Beta in the search results. Click Install, accept the third-party plugin notice. That's it. You're done. After installation, you will see the Claude Code icon in the left sidebar. Click on it to open the Claude Code panel. You will need to complete 2FA verification to authenticate. Note the warning that Claude Code can make mistakes, so always review its work carefully. Let me repeat. Claude Code can make mistakes, so always review its work carefully. The plugin is now ready to use. You can ask Claude Code to help with your code directly from within IntelliJ. Next, let's install Claude Code in Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code. Click on Extensions in the left sidebar or press Command-Shift-X. Search for Claude Code. Find Claude Code for VS Code in the results. Click Install. Done. That was quick. Let's do a quick test to verify the installation, whether it's working properly. I will ask it to analyze the flow of calls in my service. Check the flow of calls in this service. Perfect. It has clearly outlined the flow and also provided a detailed description of the service. The VS Code integration is working great. Finally, let's explore the Claude Code Web, the browser-based option that requires no local installation but works specifically with GitHub repositories. So what is Claude Code Web? Unlike the local installations we covered, Claude Code Web runs entirely in the cloud and requires connecting to your GitHub repositories. This is perfect if you want to work on coding tasks across different devices without installing anything locally. So go to Claude.ai, navigate to Code section. You will see the web version option on the right side. Click Start Claude Code Web. Claude Code Web requires GitHub access to work with your code. Click Connect to GitHub. You will be redirected to GitHub's authorization page. Review the permissions Claude Code is requesting. Click Authorize Anthropic to grant access. You will be taken back to Claude Code Web. Now select repositories. So go back to the code section, click Connect Repositories. The next time you visit, you will see Install and Authorize. Select the repositories you want to work with. Click Install and Authorize. Your web version is now ready. Now let's test Claude Code Web. Let's analyze the repository we just connected. I will ask Claude to analyze this repo. Analyze this repository. We see the interesting results again on the web console. Today, we covered 5 different ways to use Claude Code. Choose the method that best fits your workflow. For most users, I recommend starting with the shell script installation for local development. In my next video, we will dive deeper into Claude Code's powerful features like chat mode, co-work functionality, custom agents, and advanced workflows. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy coding.